As massive as the deep blue sea, the Atlantic Point in Liverpool is one of the most sought-after student accommodations in the country. Located on Naylor Street, this giant abroad has been turning heads with its incredible range of fully furnished ensuite rooms. Each room comes with a comfortable bed, modular kitchen, workstation, and sparkling clean bathrooms to end your day with a nice warm shower. Apart from your flat, there are plenty of places where you can hang out and relax. Be it their vibrant communal lounge or open-air courtyard, which is perfect for soaking up some sun. Not only does this accommodation have excellent transport links to the city center, but it's just a short bus ride away from both Liverpool John Moores and Liverpool Hope University. So whether you want to go on an exciting weekend shopping spree or dance your cares away at one of the many pubs and nightclubs, there are plenty of options available for you. Get ready to explore what this vibrant city has to offer by booking your room at Atlantic Point today. Simply connect with us at Amber and start planning your university adventure now.